Good morning, ma'am. My name is Janelle Eslaron, Karil Shine Lamban, and I will discuss the state of the environment and the natural resources in the Philippines. So, the state of the environment and natural resources of the Philippines talks about the condition of the land, air, water, forests, and minerals. It shows if they are being used wisely or being damaged by pollution, deforestation, or overuse. So there is an organization in the Philippines that protected our environment and natural resources. The organization is called the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, or the DENR. So they are the one that protected our environment and natural resources. Then naa sila mga mandate or naa sila mga goals. Mostly, first is protect and conserve our natural resources, improve the quality of the environment, and enhance the resiliency of the communities. Second is the National Greening Program. Third is the protected areas and biodiversity management. Fourth is the cadastral survey and land management. Fifth is the mining regulation. Sixth is the geohazard assessment and mapping. Seventh is the ecosystem research. And eighth, last one is the good governance. Let's first tackle the forest protection or the total logging ban. The Senate and the House of Representatives created a law to protect our environment and or to protect our natural forests. The first law that they created is the Anti-Illegal Logging Executive Order Number 23 Series of 2011, declaring a moratorium on the cutting and harvesting of timber in the natural or decidual forests and creating the Anti-Illegal Logging Task Force. So they created this law to protect our natural forests because forest is one of the most important, no? So what's the purpose of forest? Ang purpose of forest is to give us clean air, so provide us food, give shelter especially to animals, no? And help the soil and also prevent flood by what? Holding the water. So no, if wala trees, so unsa may mahitabo sa tuwa, di ba? Dahan kay mga matubang nato nga mga problems, especially the landslide, no, mga natural disaster diha na din manggawas if walay trees or kanang dako na kayo na damage sa trees. In 1960s to 1970s, 11.1 million cubic meter of logs ang na-damage sa atong trees diri sa Philippines. So this period is the period of Ferdinand Marcos. So no, kani pud na period as we are the major exporter of woods in the other countries, which is the US and the Japan. So maning daho kay damage sa ato daho kay nakuha nga trees sa atong forest, which is 11.1 million cubic meter of logs, no? Grabe kadako. So this is the latest 2023 to 2024. We lost a large number of trees, which about 34,000 hectares, which is big as 64,000 football field. So imagine, isa pa lang kamot football field is dako na kayo. How about 64,000 football field? So no, grabe kadako. So there are two specific reasons why trees are being cut. First is the urbanization, as they cut the trees to make way for cities, roads, houses, and buildings. So now we cannot deny the fact that inani good wala gid tay mabuhat ani, no. Next is the commodity driven deforestation. Mo ni siya ang ginakat ang mga trees para sa paggrow of crops, no, or mag-raise of animals. So like mga palm oil, bananas, or mga livestock, mga needed nato sa daily lives. So because of this large loss of natural forests, so no, dako kayo giatubang nato karon nga global warming o climate change because dako kay ang na-release nga carbon dioxide or the CO2 sa atong air, which is ang carbon dioxide is harmful siya if too much na, which is ang na-release ani karon sa 2023 to 2025 is 26.5 million metric tons of carbon dioxide. So what is carbon dioxide responsible for? So it is responsible for climate change, global warming, which is affects us people, so no, animals, and hurt our environment. Presidential Act Decree number 705, revised forestry Code of the Philippines. So diri na to makita ang mga penalties or mga consequences if you do not obey the law. So the law nga gi-create para to protect our natural forest. So first penalty is if you cut trees, collecting trees without permission, you will be imprisoned for 6 to 12 years ug napod kay fines nga 100,000. Then all mga logs equipments nga gamit nimo para sa pagcut sa trees is ma-impound na siya, which is bahala na day mga lata na dili gid na hilabtan. So if you are a public servant or public official ka and you are involved for cutting trees, so ang nilapastangan ka sa anti-illegal logging is ma-imprisonment ka for 10 to 20 years. Then plus matanggal pa gyud ka sa imuhang work. So na naagib mo kay fines up to 100,000 pataas. Other relevant law nga related sa anti-illegal logging is the Republic Act number 197 or the Chainsaw Act of 2002. So anti-illegal logging hotspot nga na-identified sa Philippines is sa 2010 to 2012 is 197 illegal hotspot. So mo lang ga-deliver og mga trees ga import diri sa Pilipinas, inside the Philippines, baga deliver sila mga food without any permission. So no, illegal ilang pagbuhat. Then sa latest sa 2023 to 2025 is only 30 na lang ka mga illegal logging hotspots, no? So at least nagdako kay ang gi-decrease, no, 197 to 13. So dako kay tabang ang law nga ilang gibuhat, which is ang 8 is from Caraga, then 5 is from Davao, which is ang Caraga is sila mag-cut sa trees, tapos i-deliver nila sa Davao, then ang Davao din ibaligyan nila sa market. So the Department of Environment and Natural Resources or the DENR created a partnership sa local government, indigenous communities, and civil societies group. So they created the Intensified Bantay Gubat, or in other words is the Forest Watcher. So no, pag masakpan ka nila sa Intensified Bantay Gubat or the Forest Watcher, ila din ipasa sa taas, tapos ang taas na din mag-process. Next is we have the National Greening Program. So this program is the government project that aims to plant trees and restore forests across the Philippines. So no, it helps fight climate change, no, provide food and protect the environment, and especially gives jobs to Filipinos. Then this program also support the food security mo to ganin ako yun, food security and water conservation. So no, na experience man nato ning National Greening Program. So no, sa high school ginapatanom mata og trees, no, nato tayo nga magtanom ta og trees para i-help ang atong environment and also help us. So no, as life is a cycle raming yun. So now let's proceed to the third topic, which is the protected areas and biodiversity management. So biodiversity management is man siyang and protected areas is man siya ang ka-protect sa mga animals, mga wildlife tawag observe. So no, gi-help nga ma-increase ang ilahang numbers. So first is tama raw count sa 2006 to 2009 is 450 to 600. 2023 to 2025 is 500 to 610. So no, nag-increase ang count sa atong wildlife. First is the Philippine eagle sightings sa 2006 to 2009 is 392. Sa 2023 to 2025 is 390 to 400. So now let's proceed to the flora species discoveries. Sa 2006 to 2009 is they discover three species, which is the Rafflesia leonardi, Rafflesia baliti, and the pitcher plant nepenthes, Matalingha hanasis. So 2023 to 2025 is they also discovered three species, which is the Helicia danlagonsadi, the Bulbopelium barsonali, then the Pelseri. So let's proceed to the fauna discoveries. First is 2006 to 2009. They've discovered two species, which is the Apomes camigensis, which is found in Camiguin. Next is we have Botomis hamigitan. Then 2023 to 2025 is the pitcher plant rodent Torsomes orientalis.